Hi guys, we're in today's YouTube video. We'll be doing another album review. It's released in 1996, and it is called Aenima by Tool. Now, just give me a minute so I can go through the songs. Now, back to the YouTube video. There's a total songs of 15 songs, so I bet you right through it so it doesn't leave it under 7 minutes straight. Number 15, Intermission. If you listen to it, no, you can listen to this album on a thing called Spotify. Just like when you listen to it, it is not Tool. That's the only thing I have to say there. Number 14, Serso Subability. The first word, is that how you say it? Well, it's another worse song because it has this baby crying noise, and I find the song disturbing. Number 13, brackets, two brackets, I in minus, and then outside brackets, irons. I'm not sure if I said that properly, but it's a 4-minute song, and it's just instrumental, like it says in the last few songs. Number 12, Useful Idiot. A 39-second song, that's it's disturbing, like number 14. And it's also worst. Another worst song. Right. Number 11, Dier von Satan. It's possibly Satan's eggs or the eggs of Satan in German. And it's confusing for some Tool fans. Just so you know. Number 10, Message Harry Manbach. It's just, piano music with a cruel guy. Just a guy saying cruel stuff. Number 9, a song called Jimmy. Now, this song I think is technically underrated by all sorts of meaning, and that's just all I have to go with the song. Number 8, Hooker with. I'm not going to just say the last word because it leads to something inappropriate, I guess. I think it's underrated, overrated, or neutral on how well the song is played. Number 7, Push It. A 9-minute song, which I believe it could be popular. Number 6, Third Eye. Third Eye, it is a 13-minute song, which, thank God, is the last song on the album. Number 5, Eulogy. The second song on the album, I believe it be possibly underrated, but still, it's popular. Number 4, Hate. It's just the letter H with a full stop. It's a good song, to be in fairness. And number 3, the title track of the album, Aenima. It's just Aenema. It's a good song with a good music video. Number 2, Stinkfist. The first track of the album. It's popular, and it was one of the singles for the album. And number one is a song called 46 and 2. 46 and 2, it's a great song with excellent drums and a popular song from the album. So, that's what's in the house today. Sorry if I had to keep it like around 5 minutes, and I'll see you next time.